does not look like yours.
Mine looks very pretty. Thank you.
If you'd watched last week, we went strawberry picking. Picked our own strawberries. And the number one thing that I really wanted to do was put strawberries on my pancakes like this. As you would have seen me do. I forgot to do it on my own pancake.
I offered you mine, but you won't take them.
I flipped my pancake. It got ruined and I forgot to put the strawberries on it.
Just here.
Megan's going to give me one of hers.
You have this one, and then you're going to pass me a plate of it.
I'll give you some of mine.
If I'm hungry enough, yeah.
All right. Another thing as well is we have fully stopped drinking caffeine. We were watching the Outfit and we saw them do it a few months ago, or maybe a few weeks ago, and we stopped doing it. Actually, it's been a while now.
Yeah.
And we
did mention it on our
we mentioned it.
Cans vlog, and how I had it. We both had a bit of an iced coffee, and it affected us so much. And we didn't feel too bad after that one, but then we probably had coffee twice since then.
Yeah.
And both times it has stuffed us up. We felt so sick and so jittery, and
it's fully left our bodies now.
Yeah.
And when we do have a coffee, it's like incredible. It's crazy what it does. So
but the last one we had, we both just
got
didn't
sick.
even give us the high. Like, we just felt like I had literally had heart palpitations. It was
I was high. It was good.
Yeah,
I was loving it. So yeah, we're on decaf now.
It's so weird that it affects me so much, because I've been drinking coffee since I was like 11 years old.
Yeah.
And now I can't drink it anymore.
We finally got
weird.
all the chemicals out of our body, and yeah, like when we have a coffee now, it's next level.
Do you think it's true about coffee stunting your growth? Because if that's true, then
that's why Megan's
why did my mum let
small.
me drink coffee at 11 years old?
Well, wasn't that an experience?
That was great.
So we just had a guy come up to us who's been watching the channel for a while now, and he was so stoked to meet us. It was the best experience ever. So if you're watching, mate, thank you very much for coming up and saying hello. It was great to meet you.
It was so good to chat YouTube with someone as well.
Yeah, he's got a YouTube channel, and we were having a chat with him, and we've just been speaking for like an hour and a half.
I don't think it's been that long, over-exaggerated.
Over-exaggerated, maybe just like 45 minutes, but it was great to meet someone that watches the channel. We urge anybody that sees us on the road, come and say hello, because it's the best thing ever. All right, we're off.
Bye.
See you, mate.
Bye.
What an absolute legend. He actually has sold up his house, been traveling for 16 months as well, living the dream, and they work remotely, and their kids are homeschooled, I think he said. So we'll chuck his YouTube name up there for you, and go have a watch. He's got a few tours on there. We haven't actually watched any yet.
But we will.
We will. But anyway, we're heading off to the petting zoo. There's a dog there.
It's not a goat.
What's wrong? If anybody's watching, tell us why there's a dog with a bunch of goats. Look, there's another dog there. There's two of them. I've never seen that before. They blend in with the goats.
Yeah, I thought it was a goat.
Anyway, leave a comment down below if you know why there's dogs with goats. I'd say it's something to do with predators, but I don't know. We're going to find out.
Always does this. You just tell by the little smirk on your face.
Oh no.
Oh no, not chocolate as well.
I always do it. My favourite Turkish delight, and I don't know if that's your favourite.
It's not
a little
that.
broken boost.
I'll eat it anyway. No,
And
it's
then-
not broken, it's just two chocolates.
Always got to
Double.
get the classic triple sandwich: ham, cheese, pickle, chicken, avo, chives. That's an interesting one.
You had me at pickle. Well, we need to add up all of your little sneaky servo buys, because it'll be a lot.
Nah, we don't do it that much. Anyway,
We actually can't go to camp yet because we need
Got jobs to
reception
do.
for a little while, so we need to pull over on the side of the road somewhere.
whoa.
I accidentally forgot to screenshot our instructions again.
Yeah, we forgot to screenshot.
Like what we're supposed to do when we get here.
Don't want to see our dirty Troopy. Got some visitors. Oh, hello. We still don't know where we're going. Hey, what are you doing? Can you help us out? Could you help us, please? Hello. I wonder what kind of dog that is.
That's a
Blue something?
blue heeler.
Blue heeler, red heeler. So anyway, this is our campground, but we don't know what to do. What do you reckon?
I don't know, I feel like maybe it's just one of those ones where you just pick a spot. I think we're here pretty late in the afternoon. We ended up spending so much longer working on our laptops than we expected today, but
hey, what are you doing?
I feel like we're probably the last people here, so I think we can just pick wherever we want to go.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Do you come with the campground? Yes?
Hey, yo. Oh, yo. Very
He likes you. Oh, I'm allergic to you. I'm so allergic to dogs like this. All right, I reckon we set up here. It's nice and shady.
Yeah.
Setting up here. We haven't shown you our new camp chairs, guys. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know how bad. Tell them how bad our camp chairs were.
I feel like they didn't start off too bad, but they were being held together by tape by the end of their life, and not very well at that.
They were so bad. So we were kindly gifted these chairs because their wife could not stand our camp chairs, and they were like, we gotta give them some chairs. So we've been kindly gifted these old man Amy chairs, and we've never had a chair like this before.
They're like the Mercedes of chairs.
Like the Ferrari, the Lambo of chairs. And they even pack up in a case. So they're the Lamborghini of chairs. And we're very, very thankful and happy with them. So check them out. I'm proud of my camp chairs. All right.
So I feel like we sort of sussed out what we're doing. We're not entirely sure if we're supposed to be camped here, but I don't think anyone else is coming. But apparently the dogs aren't the only animals here.
Where are the animals, mate? Where are the other animals? Where to go?
Let's just go for a walk and we'll just see what we can see.
We'll go for a spin around and hopefully we can find some alpacas or something. So what have we just worked out, Megan?
So there is no petting zoo here at all.
There used to be a petting zoo here, but they closed for business in 2021 and it's now operating as a campsite.
But it's still a nice campsite.
I was reading the rest of the WikiCamps reviews on this place and I came across a review that said there is a gigantic bull across the road that loves scratches. Megan's just spotted that bull and we're going across the road now to scratch him. Look at the size of this bull. We have travelled the entire country and not seen a bull this big.
He's a big boy.
And we're about to give him a little pat. Holy moly. Hey,
Oh my goodness.
what are you doing? Oh, here we go. Look, it's like he's on show. Felix the bull.
Felix.
I'm not going to read that to you, but hey, mate, how are you? How you going? Holy moly. Give him a pat, Megan.
Hello, Felix.
Hey, how are you?
Hello.
Look at the size of you, mate. You are massive. That is incredible. Give him a scratch
Oh
on
wait, here's full instructions here.
What? Oh, there's instructions.
Once he's settle you, come to greet you. He'll check you out by sniffing your pheromones. If you meet his approval, he'll lift his head and smile.
Oh, he lifted his head and smiled
He
at us.
did.
Do you like us, mate? Hey.
Something ordinary bulls do when they...
Oh, look, he's doing it now.
Hello.
So he's lifting his head for us. He likes us. Does he like me or does he like you?
He weighs over a ton.
Holy crap.
Can easily lift over 200 kilos.
What? He can lift 200 kilos, did you say?
Yeah, over two. Ooh, hello, Felix.
You're a big boy.
You're a big boy. I got got my animal petting fix, I think.
We got every single miniature animal in one. Look at him.
So for the last 3 or 4 weeks, we have pretty much known exactly what direction we're heading in and what we're doing and that sort of thing. And as of tomorrow, basically, we have no idea where we're going, what we're doing, what even direction we want to go in. So
we planned nothing.
We really need to plan that at the moment.
We don't normally plan too far ahead. The most we'll ever plan is 3 weeks ahead.
Yeah, and
at the most.
That's only really for school holidays.
We're about to plan the next 2 weeks, we think. And Megan wanted to tell you how she plans it. Yeah, she's pretty good at it.
We get a few messages, and I feel like we've got a bit of a system going. So, first of all, that's the thing that I was going to say, though. We don't even know what route we're going on right now. No. So, it's a bit up in the air. But usually, if we sort of know what general direction we're going in, usually it's with the weather.
Yeah.
So, wherever the weather's good, we'll go. But if we've got a general idea of where we're going, first thing I'll do is I'll get on Instagram and then I'll save a bunch of things that look cool from certain locations and I'll get them all in a folder and list them all out, and then from there I'll go to Wikicamps and then see what is around those locations, because Wikicamps doesn't just have campsites as well. They've actually got point of interest flags that you can find extra little things on Wikicamps that might not be on Instagram.
Yeah.
And then from there you can find your camping. Although sometimes, you'll find like a really cool campsite that you really want to go to.
Yeah.
So then that sort of throws the order off. But most of the time I'm planning camping around things that I want to go see.
Yeah, and the big reason we use Wikicamps is because you can read the reviews.
Yeah, they help a lot.
They help heaps with little things like we didn't know that bull was across the road.
Yeah, true.
And I read the reviews and the bull came along.
Well, I probably wouldn't have gone to go scratch him if I didn't know that it was okay.
So I read that you could go scratch that bull. So we scratched the bull.
That kind of made our day.
It did. So Megan's going to... Well, we're both going to plan.
So here's like an example of...
Here's all my fingerprints.
Oh, yeah, sorry. That's...
You can't really see it.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so yeah, here's like basically...
What we're doing.
I just list out where we're staying every night. We very rarely stay anywhere for longer than 2 nights.
No.
And yeah, that's us. If you have any other questions, I do love planning. As you can see, colour coordinate everything. I'm one of those types of people. So leave me a comment if you have any questions on that sort of thing.
And also, Megan's done a blog that's on our website. I think our website is jmexploring.com.au. Yeah. Is that it? It's our old name that we do not like. You got to change that. So yeah, jmexploring.com. Wait, what is it?
Just .com.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, jmexploring.com.au. Not no .au. No. Far out. We're paying the big bucks for the domain. So jmexploring at I'm just going to put it on the screen. So go check that out.
So we're going to do that now.
We'll do that.
Yeah.
We might be going a really odd way, we're thinking.
Yeah, we're thinking maybe just change up a bit, because even...
We're in Mackay at the moment, pretty much.
Because even like today, we know there's a few things around that a few people are like, oh, go and do that. I'm like, well, we did it last year. Do we really want to?
Yeah, we want to change it up.
Go do it. So maybe we just, want to try some new things, go to some new places. And there is quite a few inland, because we hug the coast all the way from Byron Bay.
Yeah, we've been on the coast a lot, and I think
I mean last year when we were going opposite direction.
Oh, I'm talking about now, sorry. Now we've been on the coast for so long, I feel like I'm ready to go inland.
Yeah, but then I don't want to, like, once we get out of croc country, I'm going to want to beach swim.
Yeah, classic. So we're almost out of croc, so we're at a dilemma. we're at a crossroads.
We really are.
But
metaphorically and literally.
So if we don't see you again tonight, that might just be the end of the video, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching once again. I hope you're enjoying the daily vlogs. We're enjoying creating them.
Really enjoying them.
Yeah, because sorry, we're rambling. We've been making the videos every Sunday, but not getting bored of them. We feel really inspired now to do 3 a week again.
Really motivated
to do 3.
Film as much as possible and just show more of it. Like, today was a bit boring ish, I guess you could say, but it's the reality. Like, not every day is going to be,
we're not jam packing every day, but it gets, sometimes it can get a lot more boring, but today was in the middle. So it's pretty good. Anyway, we'll shut up now and we'll see you on the next episode, not next week. I don't know when you're going to see us anyway.
We haven't figured out our schedule. Okay, so our schedule, our new posting schedule,
here we go,
going to be Tuesday afternoon.
We haven't planned this either.
Yeah, I planned it. It's all up here, buddy. Tuesday afternoon, let's say 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Far out. She's really going here.
So Tuesday afternoon, Thursday afternoon, and our usual Sunday
Sunday.
morning, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time slot.
So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
We'll see you on next episode, guys. So what needs fixing?
Our day.
Our day needs. I can't fix the day, but I can fix something on the Troopy. I'm not even going to talk about that. That is just holy moly, Felix, mate. You're packing. Ready? Selfie with the ball. You. Hey, mate. What are you doing? Oh, he likes a scratch. Megan, do you just want to talk about Felix's you-know-what for a second?
We were just a bit worried because it looked a bit bleedy, but apparently he just steps on it a bit and it's only foreskin and he feels no pain.
Felix, you're stepping on your doodle, mate. That's an old word, doodle. Come on, we're keeping it PG here, guys, but we're all adults. So Felix tends to step on his you-know-what every now and then, so poor Felix, eh?